In this video, you will see how to create a business email account in Hostinger. So let's get started. First, once we are logged into the Hostinger hosting account, this is how the Hostinger dashboard will look. Next, scroll down to the Business Starter section under Emails. Here, we will need to click the Manage button. On this page, click the Create Mailbox button. Here, we can add the business email account username and password in these fields. Enter the username in the first field. In the second field, enter the password. Finally, click the Create button. And that's it. We've created the business email account in Hostinger. With this, we have come to the end of this video. Like, comment, and share the video if it was helpful. Thank you.